Use of this technology is really game-changing. An advanced inspection tool, just like the one we're using here today, basically do an MRI from the inside out. This gives us an amazing amount of information about the quality and integrity of our pipeline. It's truly going to be a safety game changer.
So PG&E's vision is to be the safest, most reliable gas company in the United States. Through technology, we're able to understand the condition of our assets, understand the health of our assets, so that we can propose mitigation programs that, when implemented, ultimately reduce the risk profile of our operating assets.
The role of the R&D innovation program at PG&E is to detect, test, and prepare the deployment of new technologies. For that, we are working with a different network of collaborative R&D. NYSEARCH, who runs this project, is one of them.
The tool was developed by NYSEARCH, a sub-organization of the Northeast Gas Association, by working with a whole host of gas companies in the gas industry who wanted to work together to address their common needs related to the inspection of unpiggable pipe. And in this case, NYSEARCH worked with PG&E, who was a major contributor to accelerate the development of this larger size platform.
NYSEARCH started developing a series of robotic tools that allow us to inspect these so-called unpiggable pipelines. These are robotic devices that carry their own power, they're self-propelled, and they're not tethered, so they can travel relatively long distances and negotiate difficult features like miter bend and plug valves, and do not require the presence of flow.
So PG&E's gas transmission system is typically very difficult to inspect with traditional ILI methods. So what these new robotic and R&D type ILI technologies are going to allow us to do is inspect more of our system that would otherwise be challenging with traditional ILI tools. For instance, we have a lot of pipelines with different diameters and lots of diameter changes. We've got low flow and no flow pipelines, all of which make traditional ILI challenging. So this new tool is going to allow us to inspect more of our gas transmission system, which in turn is going to create a safer and more reliable system. So the Explorer series of tools, it utilizes the same technology, the same sensors as a traditional ILI tool, in that it can detect areas of metal loss, corrosion, gouges, things like that. But the sensors are packaged on a whole new deployment platform that's basically designed for the challenging to inspect pipelines. So one of the key advantages of the PipeTel Explorer tool is that it allows us to actually launch into a live pipeline through what we call a pressure control fitting. So the line stays in service, there's no disruption to the flow rate or no disruption to customer service, and so it has a major advantage, and there's a lot less impacts from a hydraulic standpoint in our pipelines.
Since 2010, we have deployed commercially a 6 and 8 inch tool for 6 and 8 inch pipelines. We have also deployed a 10, 12 and 14 inch tool for those sizes. 20 and 26 is also available commercially. The 30 inch tool, 36 inch tool is going to be available this fall, and the 16 and 8 inch tool is going to be available fall of next year. And that will complete a full fleet of tools from 6 inch and up to 36 inch.
This was a great project and a demonstration of collaborative R&D between PG&E and other utility companies across the United States. Been a great experience to collaborate with other companies to develop an innovative tool that can be used for pipeline safety.